Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best nail buffers is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial tools in achieving healthy and beautiful nails. In this video, we will explore the world of nail buffers, examining various types, their functionalities, and helping you choose the perfect buffer to achieve salon-quality results from the comfort of your home, saving you money and time while enhancing your nail care routine. Number 5. TsMADDTs Nail Kit. This kit is perfect for achieving salon-quality manicures at home. It includes everything you need for shaping, smoothing, and polishing your nails. These double-sided emery boards are made from durable EVC plus material. The 100 grit side is for shaping, and the 180 grit side is for smoothing. Whether you're working with acrylics, natural nails, or fake tips, they'll handle it. The different grits allow for precise shaping and smoothing. The 6 colorful buffer blocks are made from high elastic sponges. They're perfect for polishing and adding a beautiful shine to your nails. These tools are designed for quick and easy use. Save money and time by creating stunning manicures at home. They work great on fingernails and toenails, natural nails, acrylics, and even false nails. They're perfect for anyone who loves nail art. What we like? This kit comes with 12 pieces, including files and buffers. It's dual-sided for versatile shaping and smoothing. If you need a complete set for all your nail care needs, this is the one for you. What people say. Put one in the car, one in your desk drawer at work and one at home. Just the right size to quickly take care of a nail snag or chip. The buffers are especially great. I was worried they'd be too coarse, but it's perfect. Very handy for filing your free edges without accidentally overfiling and leading to a break. The buffing blocks in particular are great. The files are okay. Number 4. Maryton Nail Buffer. Introducing the Maryton Nail Buffer, perfect for achieving salon-quality nails at home. It effortlessly buffs acrylic, powder-dipped, and false nails, saving you time and money. This handy tool isn't just for buffing, it also helps remove stubborn gel and glue, making it a versatile addition to your manicure kit. Say goodbye to expensive salon visits. Its ultra-lightweight design makes it comfortable to use, whether you're a professional nail technician or a home user. Enjoy easy and precise nail preparation. Unlike other buffers, this one is built to last. The durable material is washable and the edges won't wear down easily, ensuring long-term use and value. It provides effective grinding and buffing without harming your skin. Prepare your nails for a flawless gel or acrylic application with confidence. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a nail art beginner, this buffer is a must-have. It helps you create perfect nails, easily and effectively. What we like? It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for at-home manicures. This buffer is also durable and long-lasting, saving you money in the long run. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient buffer for your acrylics, this is a great choice. What people say. Received as described, excellent packaging, excellent manufacture, excellent coarseness, soft on the skin, reduces ridges in the nail surface. If you're in need of a great nail buffer, look no further. These are the best 60-60-100. These buffers are just what I was looking for. They work well, have the perfect grit or removing the top coat on my gel polish, and they are not too big or hard to maneuver. They are comfortable to hold and use. Number 3. Onsen Secret Nail Buffer. This innovative buffer is designed to gently buff imperfections, leaving your nails healthy and shiny. It's perfect for maintaining healthy nails and restoring them after gel or acrylic treatments. Our unique grit pads gently smooth your nails without thinning or damaging them. It protects against damage and environmental stressors, keeping your nails strong and healthy. It locks in moisture to combat dryness, a major enemy of healthy nails. This helps reveal a brilliant, natural shine that lasts for up to 10 days. It smooths ridges, removes stains, improves circulation, and polishes to a glossy shine. It's ideal for regular maintenance and nail recovery. This durable buffer is built to last for years. Replacement pads are available, making it a sustainable and economical choice. Use it once a week on fingernails and every 2 weeks on toenails. For best results, consider a 60-day nail reboot once a year. What we like? This buffer boasts patented grit technology for gentle yet effective buffing. It also locks in moisture to keep your nails healthy and shiny. If you're looking to restore your nails after gel or acrylics, this is perfect for you. What people say. In the first picture, I had used the yellow and blue sides and it was already impressive how smooth my nails got. Then I started to shine starting with my thumb and I immediately stopped because I was floored at the shine and took a before photo, second photo being the after. It came with 2 replacement white sides, so I'm pretty sure this is going to last a while. Number 2. Maryton Nail Buffer Mini Blocks. These aren't your average nail buffers. They're designed for a professional finish, whether you're a salon pro or doing your own mani-pedi at home. You get a whopping 130 mini buffer blocks in every pack. That's plenty for all your nail care needs, and then some. The 8100 grit is perfect for smoothing out rough edges before applying polish or gel. It ensures a long-lasting, flawless finish. These mini buffers are the perfect size and grit for both gel and acrylic nails. They make prepping your nails a breeze. They're made with ultra-premium abrasive material, so you get salon-quality results every time. It's the secret to a perfect manicure. Maryton nail buffers are trusted by leading salons and spas around the globe. Experience the difference that quality makes. What we like. With 130 mini buffers, you'll always have one on hand. The mini size is perfect for detailed work, and the 8100 grit is ideal for prepping nails for polish. If you're a professional or need a large quantity for your salon, this is the best option. What people say. Received as described, excellent packaging, excellent manufacture, excellent coarseness, soft on the skin, reduces ridges in the nail surface. If you're in need of a great nail buffer, look no further. These are the best 60-60-100. These buffers are just what I was looking for. They work well, have the perfect grit or removing the top coat on my gel polish, and they are not too big or hard to maneuver. They are comfortable to hold and use. Number 1. Karlash Mini Nail Buffer. Get ready for perfectly prepped nails every time. This mini buffer is designed to smooth and buff your nails before applying polish, ensuring a flawless finish. It's made with premium quality materials for long-lasting use. Experience a professional-grade manicure at home. Say goodbye to rough edges and uneven surfaces. It effortlessly buffs your nails to a smooth, polished perfection. This handy tool features a double-sided design with 8100 grit for efficient and even buffing. It's perfect for both natural and artificial nails. By creating a smooth surface, it helps your nail polish or gel last longer. Enjoy a chip-free manicure for days. This bulk pack contains 130 mini buffers, providing you with plenty for all your manicure needs. It's perfect for personal use or salons. What we like. This product offers 130 double-sided buffers for long-lasting use. The 8100 grit is perfect for smoothing and prepping nails before applying polish. If you need a large quantity of high-quality buffers, this is a great value. What people say. Bought the 130 pack 2 years ago. I just ran out and was so mad that I didn't order again sooner. As a nail tech, these are the best buffers ever. I love how smooth they leave my acrylics. I have reordered these more than a dozen times in the last 4 years. I use them mostly for nails, but also for buffing my DIY decoupage projects. These are great little nail buffers. They seem like they'll wear down very quickly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.